This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming essentials so you don't get stuck mid-flow. Make sure you can sign into the account and that two-factor authentication is enabled. This is often required to create app passwords. Once confirmed, locate the account's security or sign-in settings and open the app passwords section. You're starting now, so click Create New or Generate. Name the password clearly for the app and device. This gets a temporary credential ready for the next configuration step. Now generate the app password and copy it immediately. Many systems show it only once. When you paste it into the app's password field, you authorize that app without exposing your main password. This isolates risk. If the app asks for username and password, use your email and the generated code. Once done on one device, repeat on other devices where the app runs, because each instance needs either the same generated password or a separate one per device, depending on provider rules. Finish by verifying you can sign in and that the app performs expected tasks like syncing. Make sure to revoke any old or unused app passwords to tighten security. If the app still fails, restart it and check that device time and date are correct, because auth tokens can fail with clock skew. Also reconfirm two-factor settings and that you copied the password exactly, no extra spaces. If problems persist, generate a new app password and try again. That often resolves transient copy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.